So what are we seeing in the market?
2025 has been a difficult year for the timber industry, for our customers.
I think there is a lot of potential for the timber business.
Everything is changing in the world.
This year and the last has been a challenge for the timber construction industry, but what my biggest learning was from the industry insights that businesses are still very positive. They look forward and they use also their strengths in flexibility to overcome the current challenges. That means even small and medium-sized companies are building on very interesting and flexible projects, not doing similar projects every day, but changing this a lot. And I would say the response to the ongoing house building crisis is flexibility. The majority of the Weimann customers is quite positive, even though economic surroundings are a challenge.
Last year, for us, it was partly challenging, but most important for us is still the partnership with our customers. Frame is changing, but partnership with our customers will remain the most important topic for us.
2025 has been a difficult year, we know, for the timber industry, for our customers, also for a company like SCM in the sector of timber construction is not easy. But what we learned is that you always need to follow your path and to invest in the innovation and also stay close to your customers and working together to be sure to solve these problems and to find a solution to stay in the market and to be profitable for them, what they are doing and what they are doing also with our technologies.
The 2025 was full of opportunities and success. What is challenging on the world? Everything. So we have a lot of uncertainty, speaking about the political situation, speaking about wars in the world, but above all, speaking about the coming of artificial intelligence. And everything is changing in the world. What we can do as SC3 is support everywhere in the world and anytime to support them in evolve in their job, helping them with the new solutions and new technology, as we have already always done. What's new for us in 2025? The way to adapt in a world that is changing, that is new, but we can say it's quite our specialization, because SC3 is a small company and we can adapt to the request, to the needs of the customer. We can empower our range of products and applications and patents so to satisfy what is the need of the customer, what the structural and the beams, the roofs world is asking to the suppliers like SC3.
What we are seeing are basically two things. In the small and medium-sized customer or companies, we see a higher requirement for flexibility, as I mentioned before. They are working on different levels of projects. In the larger companies, I would say the need for automation and robotics is even increasing. So both aspects we are fulfilling, of course, with working continuously on our robotic strategy, but at the same time, not forgetting our small and medium-sized customers and bringing their more options to the machines, meaning that they want to do more prefabrication inside of their hall, and therefore they need new aggregates. Things they had been doing in the past off-site, they're now migrating to their own production hall, and they're doing it with new aggregates on our machines. I would say both aspects are a trend that we are seeing in this year and the last.
Markets and customers are developing. Also the demands of the customers are developing. So customers ask more for solutions than machines. They want to have more information about complete workflow and how a machine could be integrated to get the best possible result.
Our customers are continuing to innovate in their companies, and to do that what they need is probably to automate more their processes. That means to have solutions that are not only hardware to automate their productions, but for sure also software solutions that they are asking to us. They are putting more and more attention to this point, asking more to us in terms of solution. And of course, as SCM, we had to invest a lot on this. We are presenting also here our new Software Maestro lab that is part of this innovation that we have to follow for them to make their life easier and more automated, and at the same time also the solution for the IoT that is available on every of our machines. This can help them to control in a better way their processes.
We've seen, I would say, in the 2025 evolving the market, not to standalone machines only, but starting to get more complete solutions. So handling equipment, so automatic loading, unloading, automation in general is what the customer now are looking for. Since so many years, we've been talking only about single machines, standalone machines, and all the suppliers now, the product is more or less the same. Each one of our machine manufacturers has its pros and cons, of course, in the market. But what is starting to make the difference is the ability to deliver to the customer a turnkey solution, starting from the lagger system, so the stock magazines, to the unloading parts, handling of the machines, loading, unloading, automatics, automation, roboting, and so everything of what is complementary to the machine. Just for this case, for example, we brought this year with us Weinig, the corporation, with key solutions for us, key choices. For example, we have molders, planners machines, band saws, which are normally machines complementary for a carpenter.
So what are we seeing in the market? I would say we see, first of all, quite positivity to look further, but I would also say that on one part there is a high motivation to reduce costs, because affordable living is a big challenge of today, and therefore automation and prefabrication becomes more and more important, also to compensate the lack of workforce. On the other hand, we also see that our customers are doing more and more challenging projects. So it's not only the standard products and single-family houses, they're doing everything from a kindergarten up to schools, up to multi-story buildings. So we will see more automation in certain regions, but especially newer and bigger projects that had not been realized in this quantity before. This is my outlook for the next years.
The timber construction is a rising business. The political framework is adapted to have more timber-framed buildings, even 2, 3, 4, 5-story high buildings, not only in commercial, but also in residential. I think there is a lot of potential for the timber business, and especially for our clients that are going to build residential buildings.
Difficult to say what will be in 2 or 3 years. Sometimes 2 or 3 years is a long time, considering also what can happen around the world. But for sure, customers are looking to new solutions, new materials for the construction, new ways to build their buildings. We see that there are some trends that are the mass timber on one side, to build higher. This is already since a few years ago a trend that is in place. The other is the modular, to bring more job into the factory instead of the site. So prefabrication and prefabricating not only as they are doing today, but also in modular systems. And so for this, our solution can help the customers to do both of these trends, both for the mass timber or for the prefabrication, to help them to be successful in the near future.
The customer and the market going more and more towards standardized solutions, big project and standard project, in order to fit in an automated lines. So for us, for machinery manufacturer, is becoming then the challenge in the opposite way, that every line that we manufacture is tailored to each one of our customers.
So what do we have new for this Dach und Holz here in Cologne? We have a couple of novelties and innovations. One topic is the Buildtech A200, and this is especially thought, I was referring before to flexibility. And this is a table that brings high flexibility to customers who want to produce highly efficient, but on a small space, with a small space requirement, doing all kind of different projects in the future. So the Buildtech A200 that comes in a wooden edition, but also in a steel framing edition, depending on what the customer would like to, and if the customer wants to assemble a part of it by themselves, if they would like to. Another one, of course, as shown before, is our Walltec M300, our Carpenter multifunction bridge, and there I want to show you something here in detail. And we have been continuously working on bringing new aggregate towards this fastener switch, this device that changes it. And with this, even small companies have the possibility to do many prefabrication aspects already in their hall, meaning, for example, facade application. You've seen it a couple of times here on the fair. All different type of facades we can now produce, but also if it comes to ceiling tape application, we have the Rapid Master that is actually currently working in the background. And this had not been possible before for small and medium-sized customers. So we are fulfilling the requirement for higher flexibility, and until now, the feedback from our customers is very positive. And what would all the machines be without software? Software is really the backbone of current developments. We had been developing our new software, the WhoopWorks 5, that is implemented in the next products. We're even going further from the Walltec to other products. We brought in a much better intuitive processing and already some aspects of the working preparation already on the panel of the machine. So people again are more flexible and can do and process the machines even more intuitive. There's a big trend towards more and more wooden facade. We started with some standard facade type that we could semi-automatically fasten to the element. And now we extended to this fair. We extended the amount by 3 different types of facade, as you can see here, even quite heterogeneous structures that we can semi-automatically also implement. And this even in combination with entry machines. So I would say it's quite a promising solution.
What we are presenting here at the DACH und Dolz 2026 is our new Oikos XS 650, a machine that can help our customers in a large type of production, from small components to medium-sized components, in a very productive way and also with accuracy. Together with the machine, we present also our new software, Maestro Lab, that is our new solution for making the job easy for the customer to process their project and to pass the project into the machine and to arrive to the final parts that they need. It's able to process parts up to 650 by 310 with a flexible unit with tool changer, able to cover all the sides of the parts, like the parts that you can see here that are processed in every side with an high accuracy and also with different type of material. What we presented here are also different materials, from the Baubuke to the oak or to the LVL material for different type of application. From big parts and heavy parts to very small components like the gadget that we are producing here with the machine, just to show the accuracy that we can have even handling small parts in a very accurate way.
We are here for the first time in a co-exhibition with our partner.
I'm from the Weinig Group. We are very happy to found such a good and competent partner, and that we are able to offer the Technofast and all the other machines for the carpenter industry and the wood construction industry in the German market. Together with the SHRM machines, we have a complete package. We have the molders, like we see here. We have the bandsaws. We have the CNC machines for the wood construction. So we can offer our clients and customers a whole package from the beginning until the end. We can cover the whole supply chain, that they can be effective, efficient and innovative in their market.
As the demands on the flexibility is changing, we also brought a new machine to the show. The SC4 Speedcard 480 with a 5-axis unit. A very quick, efficient machine, also with the possibility to do more complex parts due to a new developed 5-axis milling unit that is installed in the machine. Here it meets performance and flexibility meets together in one machine. Reach out if you need more information. Thank you very much.